for the one case or who is Mazo can no yes. Oh yeah.
Okay. Okay. Thank you also. I forgot my bono naga. But
I have a question for the general.
Hold on, I want to just say something. Okay?
My brother, I don't take any question from anybody. If you want to ask me a question, ask me.
But any new to our own hearing now. So can't you know
Are you a member of which zone?
I'm a member from Brescia.
Who is your national coordinator?
My national coordinator.
Yes.
Next,
my brother,
General, this is a question irrelevant. The platform in on the platform on your POP.
No. Listen. The reason why in Bateba, Anyi Anambra na feha. Today come here. And after Monday no here, Sepa can be add my voice because on one day when the kid na judge.
Then add his voice. Okay, hold on.
Okay, hold on. I will answer your question. I will answer your question. I will take your question. But the reason why you ever got here. About that now. Mazo Kenu Kichuku. I give respect to Onyen Dum. That does not mean that Majubo Onyen Dum Ajujo. Obono ga Junibo Onyen Ashon Ajujo. Mazo Kene Okichu is here. I am here from the day one, and I'm here to ask questions. It does not matter who is involved. Igana Biafran television, that is my job, to ask questions.
Oh, wow.
So, Obono ga Jubo Onyen Ashon
outside again without his members in Jamaica.
No problem. It's okay.
So no two questions. Can
you guys?
Come join us.
Hold on.
Can I ask my question?
I want to say something quickly. Okay. I want to say something quickly. General.
Yes.
If you're a loyal person, is he loyal?
You mean
Yes. Is he loyal? Hold on.
Okay.
Hold on. All both that need the lawyer.
Yes.
That man put that from that means he won't hope no gapta.
Well, Imana, in your own mind. If I know how Onion do is where Pota today, because Onion do Pota, that is when my voice will be more higher. I wish that Onion do Pota today. On our for that and I keep on praying for him to come out. Then I will be saying what I'm saying in the front. Oga Ponga say, okay, this guy is right because we are now outside. I pray for him always every day to come out so that
the Kano must give me back my own money or just squander at Kenya. He must bring that money back. I just maybe they be done put a full time. I got for that war. And the Okapaman and the Cameron Sokota Hono. Okapaman on Sokoto. When I command all this idiocy and stupidity on social media, Okano de Anakoya, or Muabomazo can look to the general. And the Cameron Sokoto just remain here and Sokota, just remain there. Because you must, if you hear about that Facebook, Ntabo Belia, Nga put a full time. After full time, all Bruziana this time around, I'm making support to them. You got to pray for Bosoban and get the food and you want that. Criminals. Only be a buying on never try Piafra. Only be a siphon money from Piafra people. Siphon, shake away guy now, what I'm going to Kenya. Where guy now, Bruno, why? I can't. John Onion don't know on a corner. John, you wine on a coat, but you wine on a corner. And Time a running get up for that mazi. One net that's nothing like a mazi again. All direct Nam the Kano. One net that is nothing like a mazi. I bet these people in Chalanya.
But mazi, one woman in Puna the real name that you both have Yabu Kenneth.
All correct now, all correct.
Yeah.
Very soon I get open the afro.
No.
Okay, from there. Time the raga na shundi also. Opera nibo. Time the raga shundi also. I got you also. The woman.
Why are you running? You are running because
some of you that are speaking on social media.
Hold on, you can't talk here.
Of course, I know what I'm doing.
You cannot talk. You have to wait. You have to wait.
Nobody should run.
You have to wait. Don't bring my mother into this. Don't bring anybody mother into this.
Run now. You talk to us.
Don't bring any mother into this. You don't know me. You don't know me. And I'm not afraid of anybody.
Igbo, hold on.
I'm not afraid of
I assume me and that's my boss.
Wait now.
That's my boss.
Is final. DOS.
Okay.
I had to too. Let me go talk.
I thought you were
good night, everybody. Good night, everybody. Emani Kushana, Biazi Mezi, Egwazi ndị mmadụ iji wee kwuo nke ikwu. Well, for that, Ma was it the voice note because it's out of use. But here na agwa no bona if voice ni na metukro there. Or mazo ke no ke chukwu ya. You see me now. Ihe obuna nku. Hold me for that. But him here hate no wama. You push out again.
General,
they turn wire to something else.
General, but you hold
on. No, Zion. You know what I don't like. You went too far. Okay. Hold on. Let me play the voice then. Let me play the two voice. Then let me play the two voice.
This one thought that we are finished.
Too far. Not good. Zion, what? Now I'm playing a voice, please. I'm playing a voice, please. You don't blame me. When Onyen do come out, Obona again punishment. No only Onyen do a wrong one. So he open and new ya can just say no mukulia. Call a label to mother as no mukulu or mukulu. Can me tunte.
Your record that
one wait, you look at Shani and I go to say to Million. Now get now. If you're not to Mum, and I'm ready to take everything. I'm ready to take it. Oh, they are watch us go mile. Oh, Mazo can look at
General.
This one thought that we are finished. Our money should be paid to Germany and then you come and force me now. You have to travel to every member of IPB to their house. At a gunpoint. Now I will go to Germany. Foolish people. But the finance of the family, that is the family of Kano. Do we know the family? No. Second, the third one, the first one, I cancel. Only care about say, don't fire anybody that will talk to DOS. I cancel the one. Now let us do the second one. All sacked national coordinators appointed by Mazen Khan himself must be restated and with immediate effect. Okay, Sheva have a state here. Don't be here with it. I got good. I do not screw. Metusela.
Okay, I want to ask
appointed
you
by Mazen Khan himself must be restated.
Okay, you are not ready to listen to what I'm playing or what?
I am listening, but can't you hear so what's that I hear?
Oh yeah, okay, now okay. Let me.
Can you explain?
Okay now. The voice note me too for here about tomorrow. On what was we late here in the
Yes, openly.
Yes.
Okay,
hold on now.
You are attacking him directly.
And I'm like it. One day work. I'm like. Muna madu ne kuo for ne kamuni ane kuo. Obo anya na adum. I know I'm in a court. I know I'm in a courtroom, and I be here. Come on, query. Anyi Anambra, ajuro ngesigo. The voice note me to here.
They can't ask you a question, but you want to ask Mazinan, they can't look question. Nobody can ask you a question, but you want to ask you.
Why can't you listen to the voice?
Can you please wait? I know his type. He just wants to make everything so.
No. Okay. Annie, hold on. Can Kowala we hear voice here, because on color gas more. You were geziente. Iha abo oge mona me too, because me for here we are. Yes, we are good friend. I know what we discuss on the ground. Iha abo oge mazi ne nupu isi. Me too now support to DOS. Oh yeah, me too ne kui abo mazi na me can call about question. Now, are you ready to listen to the voice now? Because only what are you go through? And this voice me Anna here now. Nke me tu pro na abo nke nkuru, which is maybe like 3 weeks ago. Nke me tu kuru here abo over 3 years ago. For you to understand the differences. Now pay attention and listen to the voice, please.
This is what thought that we are foolish. I won't matter. Our money should be paid to Germany and you come and force me now. You have to travel to every members of IPUB to their house, which you come at a gunpoint. Now and how we go to Germany. Foolish people. But the finance of the family, that is the family of Canada. Do we know the family? That's how it's known. Second, the third one, the first one, I cancel the council. Only care about what say. Don't fire anybody that will talk to us. The one. Now let us do the second one. All sacked national coordinators appointed by Mazinan Khan himself must be restated and with immediate effect.
Yes.
Don't be here with it. I got Metusela. All sacked national coordinators appointed by Mazinan Khan himself must be reinstated with immediate effect.
Okay.
You know we are so
Okay, we have heard.
Okay.
Oh yeah, no. Oku the metuku be the oku sina Mazi Nnamdi Kanu family don't have money. Nah, it's okay. I think I will leave. Obo na asho aka mpo this. Okay, metu na akpon kia.
1 second. I want to talk, please. I want to say something. I'm just going to give one question. I'm just going to give one question. Give me marriage na about 2 Anna. The time to Anna she bought your record. Let's start from there.
Okay. Can't get mommy about 1.
Give me marriage the age na bamba. Now, I've not said anything. Please, I want to understand. What?
Wait, Shredia, ako onye na ajomajo. Ihe nji agbatu ana. My voice, this voice Metuna Bona, have been played in many platforms. I don't run away from it. I don't. Anything Obona Unku.
Give me what to see Anna.
Can't be about to Anna. Go there to do which kind of person is this?
In 2 times.
So, Okwamo about to request her to come back again. So, what is the problem? Do you think I am wrong?
Okay, that is not. It's okay.
I go help us here.
Okay. This is not a question.
Okay.
This is not a question.
All the Igbo must go, but all the somehow where.
Somehow, I'm still requesting. I'm coming back. I'm still requesting. I'm coming back. So, because I have what it takes to confront issues. Okay,
number. Enjoy the one. Igbo must go. You are doing the other one. Because actually, before I'm not doing that, I'm going to Biko. I want to be not the kind of so much of no. I could praise you.
You are talking on yourself.
Hold on.
Okay.
Hold on.
Okay.
Let me finish.
Take it easy. Mazo okay no who have a platform. You knows that. So Abramu here. And I'm at Biko for you to keep me here. Because I have a platform. Metu can also testify on that. One of the biggest platform. I have Zion, please. Zion, Emma is in about me too private. You never call me private, right? I'm here for you.
I'm asking you what to
okay, correct.
General and your national law, cover on your wall, but your voice is not higher than every other voice we do here.
You don't shout more than
any other person here.
Okay, hold on. Let me tell you something. The reason why you're not.
It's okay.
Oh, you
don't need to explain. Okay, I understand. It's okay. Let me ask me a question.
Yes,
I have not asked you my question. I want to ask you. Okay.
I want you to ask a question.
Okay,
go ahead.
But do you know that you are being controlling, and I don't want you to control me. Please.
This is how you see it. I control nobody.
Yeah. Can you please take?
You are living in Canada.
Can you take it easy, please? Can you calm down? Because Munagadi is so. Everything
I hate when you are calling other people. Say Mazo Kenno Kichuku. I want to take everything that I said. When you are putting other people is what I don't like. Say Mazo Kenno Kichuku I like it, then I will take it. You understand? Actually, I'm going to water my stand. You understand? I don't go with crowd. I stand alone. I am a one-man squad. And that is something that I have been doing from Thank you, Oga. Then my neighbor say that you are better than me in every ramification. Is it not what you said? In which what do you mean by
I want to talk. Please.
I do my question. Well, I'll wait. But I believe you come here and everything can organize like Adam shop, okay? Adam shop to
Anambra, time will tell.
General, if you allow me to talk, please. All these things.
I need to go somewhere, please. They want to motion again. They want to
come join the question of change again now.
General,
over me.
But Igbo must go. Wanted to ask me a question. I want people to ask me a question.
Why are you like this? Okay, when I see how to approach you.
My brother, I am paranoid. I am paranoid. You know, I want people to ask me questions. I want people to ask me questions. I am from. This is not why we
are here.
Okay, go ahead, Zion. Sorry, Zion. Sorry, go ahead.
This is not my normal approach. Oh, because now we were here. Anyi, eventually, Nnamdi Kanu is our sacred cow. His case is no-go area.
So the guy the horse.
So, Anna Banta. I'm coming, you know, I don't accuse people without government evidence.
Nothing like accuse you. Nothing like accuse. I'm not fear. If they play the show.
Okay,
Zion, he made it here. When I one day saga here, then it's Chohogo. At the end of the day, he will need to stand somewhere. Condemn these people. These people are evil. Condemn these people.
Okay.
Ota iwuru amonwoke ya wuru nwoke. In a Honda, these people are crossing. They are crossing the boundary. For this boy, this kind of record,
you make a good statement twice. And Anyi, I told you about it. Igbo must go. In a motive, may do that way. I know my own way of doing things. Please. He made this statement twice. This is the second time.
Yes, if you are my enemy, show me that you're my enemy.
The way you behave, the way I behave. Anything no matter, let me bear the brunt of it. Please. As I was saying, before interruption. Nanya, anything Basalmas in Namdekano. It's a no-go area. That is my anger when all these clips, these voices, and they play na social media. Ojijekwa Kenya, Ojiroje Kenya. With a statement in make, and the only record put me on record again. My connection with Nnamdi Kanu. Upon Nnamdi Kanu bore my parents, but I will still help him. You don't know my relationship with him. Onye se mas Nnamdi Kanu ji anya Porsche na Kenya menga. Nsi ano an insult called to me na my leader na anya ordinary Porsche. He's supposed to be flying on private jets. No matter your sonya blue offense here, for the fact now you don't mention him, you don't talk about him. He's a sacred cow now. You don't talk about him, no matter the provocation, no matter how